in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your camera is not working or being properly recognized on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be just to restart your computer, as well as if you're using an external webcam, try plugging into a different USB port and see if that resolves the issue. If not, you can open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath app permissions and select camera. Make sure camera access is toggled to the on position, and then any relevant applications should also have permissions as well. And then hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.